G'day guys, back again. Today we've got a really good one for you. We've got the long-awaited body mount chop. So if you don't know what that is, I'm going to go through it in this video. It's like Nathan's just arrived now to give us a hand. And yeah, we'll get stuck into it. I'll show you what that's all about and what it does for you. So if you haven't heard of what a body mount chop is before, basically this body mount, just at the rear of the front tyre, the outside edge of your front tyre, depending on what offset and size you have, will hit the body mount right there. You can see where it's a bit rusted because it's been rubbing on there and taking the paint off. So basically, I'm going to cut that body mount from that corner back on an angle, as close to the actual polyurethane block there as possible. And then we're going to weld in those plates, which I got from PSR, which are already cut to the shape and size that we need.
Start it up.
That's the body mount there. I've just measured up the infill plate and done approximately how far I think it needs to go. So I've just drawn a line starting from there, just going straight back to the edge. So that line closest to the outside edge here, that's the one we're going to be cutting. I'll probably start off taking a little bit less than that and just double check that we've got the right distance and the right angle there. And then I'll end up working my way to that line and then we'll start welding in that plate. See, started cutting that away. I just started with a little bit less than I thought I would need, and then I've just measured it again, so I've got that new line there. We just got a test piece here now. We're just going to check this welder is all dialed in and good to go before we do it on the actual chassis. And obviously I'm not doing this on my car because if you did this to your car it wouldn't be road legal. So we're just setting that up now. Nathan's going to have a go just on this scrap piece. So I'm just in the middle of editing this body mount chop video right now. I was looking for my GoPro last night because I had a heap of footage on that we filmed of like actually cutting the body mount. I can't find it anywhere. I was searching around the whole house like 3 times. I was looking for like 3 hours, couldn't find it. And then I was just checking the very last clip that I filmed while we were still in the shed, and it's like kind of far away so I can't see it too well, but I'm pretty sure I left it on the bull bar as we drove out, so RIP to the GoPro. But yeah, anyways, back to the video.
This is lit.
We just switched over to a flap disc. We used an 80 grit. It's just another one from Bunnings. So that's basically just a bunch of little bits of sandpaper on a grinding disc. We just blended all that in and that's come up really good. You can barely see any of the welds. So once that's painted black, no one would be able to tell, unless they know exactly what they're looking for, that that's been changed at all. Just took it right back to that body mount, but obviously leaving enough meat there to actually weld still, and then that'll give me pretty much as much tire clearance as I need. So, and I haven't done the pinch weld. I'm probably not going to do that at this stage, just because like my tires don't scrub on the plastic there, so I don't really have any real need to do that. So yeah, let's do the other side now. Yeah. Side number 2 done, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing on this side. I'm going to hit it with the flap disc now, get it all nice and smooth, blend it all in, and then give it a quick coat of paint, and no one will know, except me when my tyres don't scrub anymore. Came up really good. Unless you're looking super close, you wouldn't even know that anything's been changed in there. Thanks for watching, guys. That's going to do it for today. That's it all done. So that actually ended up being way easier than I thought it would be. It probably only took us like maybe an hour or two all up, and I was going quite slow, like filming and everything. So yeah, if you're nervous about that job, because I know a lot of people, as soon as they think about cutting into the car or anything, it's a bit off-putting, but it's pretty simple. There's not much to it, and if you want to run bigger tires, you pretty much need to do that if you want it to work properly. So yeah, I put it off for ages because I didn't want to do it either, but it was a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, so just take your time with it, cut a nice straight line, just try and practice on a couple of bits of metal first to get some good clean welds, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, thank you, appreciate it. If you enjoy the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty more coming. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.